Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm back again today to share with you my Fiesta Table Runner. Now I actually made this as a lap blanket, but since I'm displaying it on my table today, I'm calling it a table runner. And you could use this pattern, you could make a table runner, a lap blanket, you could use it as a wrap or a baby blanket, just depending on how many squares you make and join together. You could make it as big as you want it. You could make a bedspread if you wanted to. But anyway, all of the yarn that I used is in the Red Heart family. And just look at this beautiful sparkle yarn. This is like a shimmer yarn. See how shimmery it is? And this, I believe that this yarn has been discontinued. I got it at a discount store. But this yarn was Red Heart Comfort yarn. And this was Red Heart Super Saver. The purple colors was Red Heart Ombre in purple. But I am really happy with this. Now my table runner lap blanket is 57.5 inches in length. And that does include the little circle bangles at the edges. And the width is 25 inches, but you could make it any size that you would like to make it. Now I will have all the information in the description box below for all of the yarns I used. And I will also have the information for the video tutorial that you can watch. This is a Secret Yarnery video tutorial. And I will also have that in the description box below. But thanks for watching my video. And if you'd like to be reminded about new videos that I upload, just subscribe to my channel. But thanks for watching, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye-bye.